Alright, here we are at Community Antique Tractor Pullers. Start of the 5,000 pound farm class. We got Chuck on the Oliver. He's called the Oliver Eater. I think you should call his tractor Norris. He's Chuck and Norris. I think handing out his fair share of ass whooping over the years. 304, just call it 305. $335 feet, 2.5 or 0.25. B17. I don't know what it's called. Yanni's Yanker. See if he beats Tony. $303.84. Here comes Piper on M. See if she has enough to beat Tony. She's gotta go 340 something, I think.
70.59.
Distance 466 feet, 2 inches. Distance 343 feet 8 inches. Height
3279.
Speed distance 316 feet 6 inches. Pad distance 381 feet 1 inch. Mike will be the last one. Next distance, 273 feet even. Todd is the winner of that class, followed by Tony and Piper.
Alright, start of the 6,000 pound class. Chris on his D19. Don't believe they changed the boat. So I might need to back up. Take a walk with them. Alright, here comes Tony Manley on his M. I think That 397 mark's going to be awfully hard to beat, set by that D19, but Tony seems to have this M pulling better and better every pull. So let's see what he does. Track's kind of taking him more than it took the 19, but he's on a good line. Oh, 393. Didn't have it in it. I believe this is Joe, gentlemen. Sorry if I got the brothers mixed up there, but they're driving like the only other 17 that you ever see pulling. Come on, eat through it, girl. All right. $329. Here comes Tom. He is just flirting with the speed limit. 2.93. Oh my goodness, Tom. Okay, 2.9. Woo! He was flirting with the speed limit real bad there. Now he's got her laid in about 2.6. Yep, should be able to open it up now finally. My tractor's got, well, from what I've been told anyway, got about 15 less horsepower than the other 17 that just pulled. And we are pulling in the same gear, high first. And it's going to hook him. It did that same thing to me real bad. $26.3. Here comes Piper on her, I guess it's their dad's them. They're walking next to them. It's kind of neat how they do this with the younger kids. They got a electronic kill switch, probably wired in the key or in the distributor somewhere. I don't know if you see him walking with that fob in his hand, but if anything goes bad, he can just hit that button, kills the tractor. Ooh, she's hooked up and got power. 4:03.3. Unofficially first place. Here comes Todd on a pretty nice looking 5-star. Pretty sure he's the one that won previous class, 5,500. I may be wrong, you guys were watching. Took second. 398 even. Alright, here comes his top shot. As far as I know, this has got the 262 Gouda in it. He had been pulling it in first gear, which is really slow, like bigger gear. And it's just overpowering the track all the time. And today it seems like he's pulling it second. And been doing pretty good with it. Oh. 298.6. So Piper won first, Todd got second, and I believe Chris got third. Let me hear. Yeah, I'm sure Chris got third then on the 19. So the M, single wheeled M first, the 5-star second, and Chris not even a half a foot behind for third place on the 19. Start of the 6,500 pound class. I'm gonna have to take another little walk with them. Probably where the 17 will spin off. This club has got the airbags there that they can change there, so they don't have to shift gears to get the boat to pull different. Why they weigh about 500 pounds extra, they're still going to end up pulling about the same distance. Maybe I'm full of it. There it is, 4:03.5. Alright, here comes Tom. He's down in low gear. I don't know how well it's going to work out. He didn't have enough weight on the front end of that thing. Well, alright then. 209.69.
Sound distance, 298 inches. You're going to have...
Okay, this makes more sense. They're going to have Chris come back and rehook. They geared the sled up. That's why he stopped back there. All right. I know you guys could hear it in my voice. I was going, what in the world just happened? But that makes more sense. So I'm going to move down so we get some good footage here. All right, here comes Chris's official pull. I think Tom still could have had a few more weights hanging out front. Would have helped him out. We'll see. 209 from us to be to 190. Oh, he beat him. Oh yeah. $233.4. Some Todd on the 5-star. See how it does.
Almost 230 and 2. 230 and 2.
All right, here comes the cockshut. He's down in first gear now, doing a whopping 1.6. About the only tractor you'll see that's slower than the 17. 17 was doing 2.4 with them 38s on it for both sides.
This is 175 10 Mike.
All right, here comes everybody's favorite tractor puller, Eric Olin, on what I believe is a 560. Haven't been able to see the badge yet, and they didn't say. See how he does. $215 now.
There we go. Keep it going. And we're done. Eric,
249.
249.